How to download Steam on Windows PC and laptop. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to simply go to any web browser and then type Steam download. So you can choose any of these options here, but make sure that you can see the Steam download, for example, this one. And then what you're going to do is to tap install Steam. Then you will be notified that it is now starting to download. Once done, open this download folder and then look for Steam. Right click and then tap run as administrator. Okay, scroll down, tap this one, and then wait as it is processing. Okay, all you have to do now is to click next. So we have here, welcome to Steam setup. Click next. Okay, tap language, click next, and then you can also browse if you want to save it to your desktop. Or if not, just click install and wait for it as it is processing. Okay, so it takes a few minutes also. Once done, click finish, and then that's it. Now you just have to wait because Steam is now updating. Okay, so once done, what you're going to do here is to simply create your account. Okay, so if you have an account, then you can sign it here and then password. But if you don't have, just click create an account here and then type your email address, confirm your email address, your country, and then click I'm not a robot, click agreement, privacy policy, and then click continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.